Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. If you want a hairstyle that looks beautiful, stylish and easy to manage every day, then this video is perfect for you. Many women over 50 choose low maintenance hairstyles because they save time and still look modern and elegant. These haircuts are easy to wash, dry and style. You do not need to spend hours in front of the mirror to look great. The right haircut can also make thin hair look fuller and healthy. Let's start with one of the most popular hairstyles, the short pixie cut. The pixie cut is simple, fresh and very easy to care for. It dries quickly and needs very little styling. Some women like a pixie with side bangs, while others prefer a layered pixie for extra texture and volume. This haircut is preferred for busy women who want a clean and modern look. And another great idea is the classic bob haircut. A short bob or chin length bob looks elegant and works for almost every face shape. It can be worn straight, wavy or slightly curled. A layered bob is even better for women with thin or fine hair because it adds movement and volume. This hairstyle is easy to maintain and always looks stylish. Now let's talk about layered haircut. Layers are wonderful because they make the hair look soft and full without much effort. A medium length layered cut is perfect if you do not want very short hair. You can simply brush it and let it fall naturally. Layers also help reduce heaviness in thick hair and add body to fine hair. The shag haircut is another trendy low maintenance style for women over 50. The shag has soft layers and texture that create a relaxed and youthful look. It works beautifully with natural waves and does not need perfect styling. Many women love this shag because it looks fashionable but still easygoing. For women with curly or wavy hair, natural texture can be your best friend. Instead of fighting your curls every day, choose a haircut that works with your natural hair. A curly bob or short layered bob can make curls look soft and lively. With the right haircut, you can simply use a little curl cream and let your hair dry naturally. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.